Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do a speedrun mission in Skate 4. So it is not that hard, just do kickflips right here where you see a space. And there's a tip, just go right here and do like wall ride. It will be faster for you, as you can see. Now you can a little bit power slide because here you need to slow down and don't fall down because this is the tricky part. So as you can see, it takes some time to do, but you got the idea. The trickiest part is down there where I showed you, where you need to slow down because it's very low space to jump and do a kickflip. So let me try and show you again. So right here, slow down, do the kickflip, and as you can see, you got everything, but you need to do some more flip tricks or other tricks to get total score uh, for 2000. So that's pretty much it. See you in the next